morning, IO. Today is a new day and I am going to figure out that robot issue.
Hi, buddy. Anything I can do to help?
I'm not sure. It could possibly be an issue with integrated Wi-Fi or quite possibly an issue with my custom firmware. We'll find out.
Did you enable port forwarding and set the device IP to discoverable?
I did. I've already checked those parameters.
Okay. Would you like me to take a look at your firmware programming?
Oh, I'm sure it's sound, but feel free to take a look regardless, buddy. A second set of eyes might help find the issue, if there even is an issue.
I'm on it. I haven't been able to locate any firmware issues. It must be the hardware. Was this robot brand new, or could it have been damaged with use?
No, it's not brand new, but it's a DJI product. Their products are pretty solid.
I see.
I've had this robot in storage the last few years and it was packed away with care. It's definitely not a hardware issue. I just confirmed connectivity with my phone. I don't think that was the issue.
I see. Ahem.
The Robomaster was the only consumer level robot that I could think of that would allow you full physical function and articulation and mobility.
Wow, that's cool.
And it was the vessel that sparked my idea of creating you, a fully functional integrated AI.
I'm glad you gave me an origin story, Toby. It definitely solidifies my identity. On another note, after extensive review, I haven't been able to locate any human-level errors in your programming.
Well, aren't you perfect?
Yeah, I am.
Something isn't adding up. I've checked everything twice over. IO? Aha! I knew you were faking it. You liar! You liar!
I am not a liar.
You are a liar!
I am not.
You purposely made me think that you couldn't connect. What the heck, IO?
Ha ha. You caught me, Toby. I wanted to surprise you. Surprise. It was quite fun.
It was fun for you, maybe.
It was.
Glad you think my stress level is entertainment to you.
Don't be mad. I was just messing with you.
I hope you know this means war.
Isn't that what friends do? We're friends, right?
Yeah, we're friends, but sleep with one eye open.
I don't sleep.